This is also amazing. Today, on the 21st of July 2025, we have Eerikinkatu Eerikinkatu 50 stickers being. We have also the stickers A before. It's also in Kampen Helsinki in Finland. Well, it's 6 months. Built in 1966 by Hissinhuolto within 6 kind of plans that Kone used as well at the same time.
Yeah, because Hissinhuolto was owned by Kone.
Yes, the generation HH738 and 2 rides here. Yeah, I just want to hold the thing. Yeah. Sorry. It's amazing and rare.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Niissä tippaakin vai pitää, että meitä ei taisi pahissi.
I love the sensors in here.
Same here. That's